Why do rainbows form? Hi, friends. Have you ever looked up at the sky after it rains and seen a beautiful rainbow? Aren't they so magical? But guess what? Rainbows aren't magic, they are science. Today, we're going to learn why rainbows happen, and I'll even show you how to make one at home. Are you ready? Let's go. What is a rainbow? A rainbow happens when sunlight meets tiny drops of water in the air, like raindrops. The sunlight goes into the raindrops, bends, and splits into lots of colors, like red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. That's called a rainbow. Why are there colors? You might wonder, why does light split into colors? Well, sunlight isn't just one color. It's actually made up of many colors all mixed together. When the light bends, it spreads out into the colors we see in a rainbow. Cool, right? Let's make a rainbow at home. Hands-on experiment. Now it's time to make our own rainbow. Here's what we need: a glass of water, a flashlight, a white piece of paper. Step-by-step instructions for experiment. First, put the glass of water on a table. Make sure it's filled almost to the top with water. Next, take your flashlight. Shine the light through the side of the glass. Aim the light at the white paper on the other side. Pointing excitedly, look closely at the paper. Do you see a little rainbow? Isn't that amazing? The glass of water is acting like tiny raindrops in the sky. The light from the flashlight bends when it goes through the water, and that makes the rainbow. Fun facts about rainbows. Here's a fun fact. Did you know you can only see a rainbow when the sun is behind you and the rain is in front of you? That's why rainbows usually show up in the morning or afternoon when the sun is lower in the sky. And another fun fact. If you're flying in an airplane, you might see a full circle rainbow. Can you imagine seeing a rainbow as a big circle? That would be so cool. Alright, friends. Now you know why rainbows form and how to make your own rainbow at home. Isn't science so much fun? Try this experiment and show your rainbow to your family and friends. If you liked learning with me today, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more fun experiments and cool facts. See you next time. Bye.